Susan. Today I'm going to show you 3 simple and easy crafts that I think look high-end. So if you like content like this, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and give it a big thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get started. I have seen these mats and I've seen so many crafters make them, but I wanted to make my own. So I did. So it's just simple as rolling your nautical rope around in a spiral. And finger protectors are very much a must. I didn't want anything too terribly big, just something, to lay on my table. And as you can see, I'm just using hot glue to glue the rope around in the spiral. And I will finish it off on the end and try to tuck in the ends. I wanted to add a little detail, so I took some ecru embroidery floss and just did a simple sewing it around the outside edge. And my supervisor was again keeping an eye on me. She's tough, but lovable. I found these mantle clips at Goodwill for $3.99, and I love the color that I don't know if it's a coppery or a brassy, but they are very pretty and they're very heavy. Love the shape of them too, so I thought I would try making this flower with them. Now, I would use E6000 if I was wanting it to be permanent, but I'm not committed yet to whether I'm going to keep this project. Of course, you can't keep everything you make when you make so many. But I can always go back if I need to. But to show you how to do this, I'm just using hot glue. And I glued it around and I thought it made the prettiest flower, and it's got such heft to it. I really love this. Now I went in my button jar and I found a button to use for the center of my flower. And I thought the color matched well and everything. I thought it looked really pretty. And I just added it with hot glue also. And as you can see, it's heavy. And so I did go back and reinforce the hot glue. But before I would hang it on my wall permanently, I would most definitely use E6000. We burned so many candles that I'm always trying to figure out what to do with the jars. So I thought I would make a vase. I found the prettiest vinyl from Cricket at Walmart for just $5. And I measured around the jar, which was 12 inches, so that was perfect. And I just went up 4 inches high and just took the vinyl and took the backing off and wrapped the candle jars with this pretty vinyl. And I just love how they turned out. They just made the prettiest vases. I thought this blue and white was just so pretty, and I like that on the vases I got to see more of the pattern. And to finish it off, I just did a simple wrap around with the jute twine and just made a little cute little bow. And glued it on, and I thought that finished it nicely. I just can't say enough how pretty I think these are. And here's the finished product, all decorated. And that's what my flower looks like on the wall, and I also have it here laid out on the table. I think it would also make a nice trivet. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe. Till next time, bye.